Hi there, well I'm selling off my Habana Aprilia. See there the indicator working. I bought it, it's got the mirrors, I think, they're in the underside. I bought it about a year ago as a project. Everything's complete. It might have been going at the time, I can't remember. It doesn't have an MOT and it doesn't have tax, it's been sawn. You can see the exhaust is all good. Let's see if I can get the so indicator one side's working. Bought as a project. There you go, indicate the other. Horn. Lights are all working. It says it needs oil. It's been static for a year. It may start. Don't know, but anyway, 2 keys, and so there you have it. It's a 125, and the rest of the details will be in the thing. Kickstart, easy to put the oil in. Interesting, I didn't see any oil on the ground, so I don't know if that's it. And you can hear it kick over, so I don't think the engine's got any real problems. Come on, gonna start. I don't know, maybe the battery's not strong enough. Well, there it is anyway, 125, and photos to follow.